Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the car has stable power. Low voltage stops the car from saving changes. Once done, put the Clio into accessory or ignition on mode without starting the engine. You must locate the trip/odometer button on the dash and any steering wheel menu buttons. These are the controls you'll press next. Make sure the display shows the service or wrench icon so you know you're in the right place. Then get ready to follow the button sequence precisely. You now perform the actual reset sequence. Press and hold the trip or odometer reset button and keep it held while you cycle the ignition to accessory or position 2. This forces the dash into service menu mode. If your Clio has steering wheel menu controls, use them to navigate to service or settings and select the service reminder. Once the display shows a confirmation prompt or the wrench symbol blinks, release buttons and press briefly to confirm. This writes that you finish by switching the ignition off, waiting a few seconds, and then starting the engine to verify the service light is cleared. If the icon persists, make sure the battery is fully charged and repeat the reset exactly. Inconsistent power or mistimed presses often cause failure. If it still won't clear, use an OBD tool or consult a workshop. There may be stored fault codes preventing reset. One troubleshooting tip: a blown fuse or low battery is the most common reason a reset won't stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.